just unboxed the windmill. Shy Guy's here. Might be Shy Guy. This video could be a... Anyways, Thomas, is it okay? Is it okay if I open the bag for you?
I want to do it.
Okay.
Okay.
Here we go, guys. Pixie's exciting. Our final presents here. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. I got them today. Just open the bag up. Because it open. Okay. Okay, guys. My mom's the cameraman because Thomas wants to see it not on the camera. So we're gonna.
Is it hard to open?
Yeah, this is.
What is it? Plastic?
Yes, this is a lot harder than the Amazon. Here we go.
Not even Shy Guy. Woohoo!
Whoa!
Shy Guy.
Okay, guys, we have Shy Guy. Okay, guys,
Shy Guy.
here he is. He looks really fluffy and soft. I really like him. Anyways, thanks for watching.
And she